Yo, becoming a firefighter sounds cool. No university, saving lives. Sure, if you're ready to work for it. Easy. Okay, let's say you're in Ontario. These are the steps. A flowchart. You're gonna need some minimum requirements. Like what? High school diploma, G license, no more than 2 infractions, standard first aid, and CPR on a healthcare professional level. Got it. Are you fit? Are you good with tight spaces? Can you handle high stress? Done, done, and done. Time to gain some pre-service experience. How? 2 main ways. You can pay for a college course, or you can volunteer at a local fire station. You may or may not get paid for this. How much for college? Ballpark, $14K, but you'll get there faster than volunteering. Also, you may want to get your DZ license around here. Air brake trucks, that sounds fun. Sure, once you've learned how to actually fight fires, you need to pass these exams. Firefighter Level 1, Firefighter Level 2, Hazardous Materials Awareness, and Hazardous Materials Operations. That sounds kind of hard. Not if you've done good work so far, and the good thing about these is once you have them, they never expire. And now I'm fighting fires. No, you need a recruitment agency. A what? They put you through intense physical tests, swim tests, and mental tests. And now I'm fighting fires. No, you gotta land a job first. Then I'm fighting fires. Yeah, but you're a probationary firefighter. For how long? Depends on the city. Maybe a year, and after that, you're a full-time firefighter, 3rd class rank. I made it. Yeah, you did.